Hey, you're pretty lucky. God almighty.
Lang eh, Domingo Ball, how can you win?
Talo!
He can shoot no more, so what are gonna do?
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Efren Reyes Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin another exciting match. Itong pinaka-nemesis ni Efren Reyes, walang iba kundi si Earl Strickland, laban nga dito sa The Magician, no? Ito yung IPT North America US Open 8-Ball Championship. At dito nga, nasa 5-4 na ang score, race to 8 ito. At makikita natin dito, nag-break ulit itong si Efren Reyes. At mukhang hirap dito si Earl Strickland na makahabol kay Reyes, no? Bagamat napakaganda ng laban na ito, balikatan, pero makikita natin mukhang nakakalamang na dito si Efren Reyes sa rack number 10. At ang score nga natin ay 5-4, race to 8 with winner's break format. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard kung ano ang mga magagandang tira ni Efren Reyes dito sa laban na ito. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
That a lot of people cannot get to. You know, he really understands the game. It's amazing where he comes from to play the game that well. I mean, all the Filipino players have the great knowledge and that they have that hard break.
Now, most players peak early in their career, but it appears that Efren has actually gotten better in the last 10 years as he's gotten a little older.
Yes, Efren and I are about the same age. Only days separate us. And, Efren's been out there competing for many years. And really, as long as you have your eyes and health, I mean, there's no reason why you can't win. Like Irving Crane from my hometown won world titles in his 60s. And you see he makes a nice shot here. He's going for the maroon ball, the 7.
How he makes the cue ball move.
Perfect.
On, what would look like just a straight shot to the layman.
Well, now his only real big problem here is the 2 ball. And he's going to play this, follow it, and try and play the 2 ball up the corner. And he's hit that. He's okay. A little bit more angle than he would like, but he's okay.
4.
And then he's probably going to play the 5, the orange ball. He made a nice shot there.
Perfect.
Yeah, he pockets balls. Look how clean this ball goes in.
Mahusay pa rin ang pinapakitang tira dito ni Efren Reyes. Ganun nga sa tira na ito, makikita natin talagang maganda ang cue ball positioning ni Reyes at meron siyang chance na ma-run out niya itong rack number 10, no? Score natin dito mga kabilyad, 5-4 lamang dito si Efren Reyes. At ito nga, mukhang napakaganda pa ng layout ng table. May chance si Reyes na ma-run out niya itong rack number 10. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
A little bit tougher shot than I think he could have had, but he's okay.
8.
For the game.
The Magician, Efren Reyes.
At dyan nga mukhang umabanti ulit ng puntos itong si Efren Reyes, pero nakasungkit kaagad ng tira doon si Earl Strickland doon sa rack number 10, no? Dito naman sa rack number 12, tingnan natin kung makabawi siya ulit, kaya siya ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 12. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Wow, he was going right in the corner. You see that? And he got kicked, but I don't know if he made a ball on the break or not.
He did not.
No, he did not. Watch the cue ball. It's going right for the corner pocket, but the strike ball moves it out of the way. Almost looks like a bowling kind of pin knockdown there. Earl, see, the thing is in 8-ball is you cannot predict making balls like in 9-ball. 9-ball, the corner ball, the one on the side.
At doon nga sa break ni Strickland, mukhang minalas na naman siya doon. Mahina yung break niya kaya hindi kumalat yung bola. At walang nahulog na, kaya dry break yan. Option ni Reyes ngayon, pumili ng stripe or solid ball. Tingnan natin kung anong mapili ni Reyes dito. Mukhang pinili niya, no? Yung solid doon sa side pocket. Kung di ako nagkakamali mga kabilyard. Dahil medyo malabo nga itong video natin. Mukhang 9, no? Stripe ball ang tinira dito ni Reyes. At mukhang mataas yung kanyang pinili. At ganun pa man, tingnan natin kung makakuha siya ng magandang posisyon dito sa rack number 12.
He has a shot in the side pocket. Let's see what he does here. Maybe I'll learn something here. He's going for it right away. Ooh, he missed it again.
Was that why he put that extra little kick on that ball? He wanted to get it up table?
Yes, he's trying to draw and hit the 8 or the 10 and just misses. Ooh. He must tickle those balls. He can maybe even do it on this shot. He might draw back and try and hit the orange ball. And he may try and do that right now.
He really is trying to accomplish two things with every shot here, it seems.
Well, he's got that little he's going to draw into the orange ball. Now, see, he hit that perfect. Now he's got to gamble on getting a shot, which he does not have an easy shot. See, that's the problem. If he'd have broke it out before, he would have had an easy shot. Now he has a difficult shot. Actually, he's probably going to play the 10, the blue stripe ball. I think that's his only shot he has. And
medyo mahirap yung position ngayon ng cue ball, pero tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes itong natitirang 4 na bola bago niya pumosisyon dito sa 8, no? Medyo mahirap itong just na ito dahil kailangan niyang pinahin. Ganun pa man, naipasok pa rin ni Reyes. Tumama doon sa solid ball at nakakuha ng magandang posisyon si Reyes dito sa next object ball. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
He bumps the 7, which is an educated shot. And now is over the 7 with, again, a difficult cueing situation. Uh-oh. Wow. Did you see that little English go around that ball? Watch this. He goes 2 rails, and watch where the cue ball's going. He has so much English on the ball, it just gets by that ball.
Wow.
Isn't that something? That's why he's the magician.
I mean, that was a
perfect
huge
speed.
amount of spin he had to put on that.
Yeah. Perfect
speed.
Everything. Just he executed that shot perfectly.
See, it wasn't making the ball that was hard. It was getting the cue ball there.
And it's still not over with. Because now he's got to do another trick. Look what he does here. That was not easy either, what he does. Watch, he clips the orange ball, or the red ball, comes down to the rail, gets in between the 1 and 5, and gets a shot on the 13 on the side. Now that, again, is not an easy shot. I mean, he's already shown 2 or 3 trick shots in this run out alone. And this is not easy. He must either draw the...
Dito nga aiming siya dito sa 11 ball sa side pocket. Mukhang may chance na pumasok yan. At doon nga pumasok yung 11 na yun, mga kabilyard, no? Last ball si Reyes dito sa rack number 12 na ito. At ito, tutok na tutok itong 8 sa corner pocket sa ibaba. At makikita natin, may chance si Reyes na umabanti pa at mauna sa top of the hill, no? Dahil nga 6-5 ang score, race to 8 ito. At ito, mukhang tutok pa itong 8. Pasok yung 8 na yun, mga kabilyard. At ito, nangunguna na si Reyes. Nasa final rack na siya. 8-4 ang score natin. 8-5 ang score natin, mga kabilyard, no? Kaya mukhang mahirapan dito si Earl Strickland.
Versus recently inducted Hall of Famer Earl the Pearl Strickland. Reyes with the break.
At dyan nga sa break na yan ni Reyes, mukhang napagbigyan si Reyes ng isang bola. Tingnan natin kung meron pumasok dyan. At makita natin, no, nasa top of the hill na itong si Efren Reyes. 7-5 ang score natin, mga kabilyard. Last rock siya dyan sa break na yan. Mukhang walang pumasok, no, dry break. Kaya may chance pa makabalik si Earl Strickland dito sa table. At mukhang meron siyang dinidiscuss sa mga viewers, no, mga bystander. At very disappointed siya dyan sa pinapakitang tira ni Strickland. At dito nga, mapapansin natin talagang kailangan humabol ng 2 puntos nitong si Strickland, no, para makahabol kay Reyes. Last rock dito si Efren Reyes, 7-5. Tingnan natin kung makabawi pa dito si Strickland. Sundan natin, mga kabilyard.
Oh, my goodness. I can't believe he did that.
Ball in hand
Look
now
what he
for
does
Efren.
here. He hits the 9. He was trying to go in between those 2 balls and scratches. Case closed.
I'm
I
so
can't
glad
believe he
this
did
is
that.
over.
Yeah, that was really a unforced error by Earl. I can't believe he did that.
At dyan nga sa karambolang scratch na yan, no, nakita natin dire-diretso yung cue ball doon sa corner pocket. Kaya foul yun, ball in hand advantage dito kay Reyes. Mapapansin natin talagang itinutok na ni Reyes itong cue ball. At kailangan niya makakuha ng magandang ball position at ma-break niya itong cluster dito sa bandang ibaba. Yung 9 at saka itong 3. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan niya ni Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
In other words, a 9 ball, you're looking at the 1, then the 2, then the 3. That's all you're
And
concentrating
there's less
on.
balls on the table to bump into.
Yes, and an 8 ball, you can play the 13, you can play the 10, you can play the 11, you can play the 12. I mean, sometimes your mind gets frustrated
There's
with...
a lot more choices.
Yes.
And there's a lot more balls on the table that could cause a problem.
Yes, there is. And you know, I mean, I played Earl a 9-ball Earl is maybe one of the greatest players ever lived. I played with him many times. But an 8-ball, he lacks a little something. I'm not saying he can't win the tournament, but that's just not his style of play. You know, Ephraim is one of these guys that can change his speed in any game. Earl likes to play that fast pace like we saw earlier. He likes that fast-paced game. In an 8-ball, you just cannot do that. You have to take your time in a lot of situations, look and study the table, where in 9-ball, you can pretty much run him. He makes a nice shot here. Look, weaves in between the solid and the stripe, just gets perfect again. Look where the cue ball goes. That's why they call him the magician. Cue ball in the right spot. He has his choice of many shots. Now, really, he's playing the 6-ball this time.
At tulad nga ng inaasahan natin, nakita natin na talagang maganda yung ginagawang tira dito ni Reyes. No? Last 3 balls si Reyes. Maganda yung position nitong 3 bola na ito. Tingnan natin kung magawang paraan ni Reyes ito at ma-run out niya at talonin si Strickland dito sa laban na ito.
I think he's going to play the 1, then the 4-8, I believe is what he's looking at, yes. He's going to play the 1 ball, draw back, play the... Now, the reason he did this is because the 8 goes in the side pocket. Now, watch what he does here. Play the 1. Now, he's just going to play this ball and probably follow down.
At dito nga, last 2 ball na lang si Efren Reyes. Makikita natin, very confident na siya dito sa tira niya na yan. At dito nga, tutok na itong 8 sa side pocket. Mukhang alam na this, sabi nga ng marami, no? At mapapansin natin dito, si Strickland nagre-ready na rin. At dyan nga pumasok yung 8, panalo si Efren Reyes. Pakinggan ninyo mga kabilyard.
Reyes moves on to the next round.
Hey, you're pretty lucky.
Yeah.
God almighty.
You don't make a ball, how can you win?
No, I'm talking about some of the rolls you got.
Oh, and Earl calling Efren lucky there. You know, luck is